Who will you choose to perform high-quality paintless dent repair on your vehicle when the time comes? Well, it's only a matter of time before you get your first dent, and you want to make sure you make the right decision by choosing somebody that's not afraid to show their work on film. With repairs like this, the last thing you want to do is find the cheapest guy in town that claims to know what he's doing, and then you wind up with a big mess on your hands. The reality is, you only get one chance to get the repair done right the first time, and you want to make sure you hire a skilled professional that knows what they're doing. Keep in mind that these are actually donor vehicles that we're damaging and then repairing to show you just how significant of a dent we can repair and bring back to its factory condition without having to repaint the vehicle, which is huge. Now, why is it so important to keep the original paint on your vehicle? Well, the original factory paint on your vehicle is by far the most resilient and best quality paint finish that you'll ever get. It's got the highest resilience. It's going to adhere to the substrate or the metal the best. And you don't have to worry about paint mismatching or Bondo cracking or body filler cracking because nothing changes about the vehicle in the process of repairing it. That's why it's considered one of the most valuable body repair solutions out there. Now, don't get it confused. These repairs take hours and hours to do. These are not 1 hour repairs. These are 3 to 4 to 5 hour repairs sometimes. Some of the videos that you may see online can be a little bit deceiving sometimes because they just show a dent popping out in some cases. But the reality of it is, when it comes to really complex damage like this, it takes a lot of time, skill, and effort. And just like a cosmetic surgeon or a tattoo artist, you want to be sure you get it done right the first time around because a lot of the times there's no going back. So it's important to do your research when finding the right PDR technician for a job like this. Skill sets vary heavily between technicians, and there are actually levels to this type of work. Quality and consistency are truly important to us, and we want to make sure that we give you the absolute best quality job possible. And we're just putting some final touches on this one here and show you what it looked like before again. And that thing was really bad, really nasty dent. We turned it into this though in a matter of hours, like we said, without having to repaint anything, change anything about this vehicle. The results are simply undeniable when these repairs are done to a high level. Now, what about a minor collision like this? This is a very significant dent here. It's a pretty common dent you'll see cruising around town, lots of different door dents, but this is more along the lines of a minor collision. We can actually fix this damage the same way we were doing before. Of course, with a repair like this, there's a lot of time involved in sculpting this metal back to its original shape. We may need the vehicle for up to 2 days to do this to a very high level, to the point where you won't be able to tell what happened to the vehicle after it's done. As this video comes to the end, we hope you learned something new about the very valuable paintless dent repair method. If your vehicle is a good candidate for this process, it is by far the best auto body repair solution that's out there. So give us a call. We're looking forward to helping you get your car back to its pre-loss condition. Thanks again for watching.